Hello friends, I am Atul Heleskar and today we are going to understand the next part of the lesson from your 8th standard English textbook, and the name of the lesson is 4.2 PV Sindhu, an icon of success. So friends, विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आता आपण आज नेक्स्ट पार्ट बघणार आहोत ऑन पेज नंबर 82 नाव. So please pay attention on page number 82. PV Sindhu's recent recognitions. Now, today we are going to understand the recent recognitions of PV Sindhu. PV Sindhu यांनी त्यांचे जे परफॉर्मन्स बेस्ट परफॉर्मन्स केलेले आहेत रिसेंट म्हणजे नुकत्याच कालावधीमध्ये. सो वी आर गोइंग टू अंडरस्टँड ऑल दीज रिसेंट रिकग्निशन्स. सो प्लीज पे अटेन्शन. On 7 July 2012, Sindhu won Asia Youth Under-19 Championship. So, when she was under 19, when she was playing under 19, she won Asia Youth Under-19 Championship. Asia Youth Under-19 Championship Sindhu यांनी जिंकलेली आहे on 7 July 2012. Sindhu's performance at the Malaysian Open 2013 made her win the maiden Grand Prix gold medal. And again in 2013, she gave her best and she won her first Grand Prix gold medal in Malaysian Open 2013. So in 2013, तिने Malaysian Open मध्ये सुद्धा पहिलं Grand Prix gold medal तिने जिंकलेलं आहे. So in this way we can say that in 2013 she gave her best in Malaysian Games. Now next, the best moment in her career perhaps came in the same year when she became India's first medalist in women's singles at the Badminton World Champion. So in 2013, so friends, please pay attention. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, 2013 मध्ये she gave her best, and in the same year it was her career's best performance that she became India's first medalist in women's singles at the Badminton World Champion. So in the Badminton's World Champion women's singles tournament, she got the medal. So she became the first Indian woman who got this success. So in this way, in 2013, she gave her best, and it was that year was very best for her. ते वर्ष तिच्यासाठी सर्वात चांगलं वर्ष होतं. PV Sindhu ended 2013 on a happy note by winning Macau Open Grand Prix gold title and also won the Arjuna Award, one of the highest honors for the sports person in the country. And again in 2013, that year was very much best for her. Why? Because she again won the Macau Open Grand Prix gold title. In 2013, again she won Macau Open Grand Prix gold title, and also in 2013 again she got the Arjuna Award. She won the Arjuna Award and one of the highest honors of the sports person in the country. आणि आपल्या भारतामध्ये जो खेळाडूंना जो मोठा पुरस्कार दिला जातो त्या पुरस्काराचं नाव आहे अर्जुना अवॉर्ड, आणि तो अर्जुना अवॉर्ड शी गॉट इन 2013. So 2013 was best for her. Now next, in 2014 she won back-to-back medals in the World Badminton Championship and became the first Indian to do that. And 2014 मध्ये सुद्धा जसं तिने 2013 मध्ये वर्ल्ड चॅम्पियनशिप तिने जिंकलेली होती, बॅडमिंटन वर्ल्ड चॅम्पियनशिप. In 2014 also she got the same championship and she became the first Indian woman to do that. Back to back in 2013 and in 2014, एका वर्षानंतर लगेच पुढच्या वर्षी तिनं हे 2 वेळेला सतत या वर्ल्ड चॅम्पियनशिप मध्ये गोल्ड मेडल घेतलं. त्यामुळे शी बिकेम द फर्स्ट इंडियन वुमन नाव. In 2015, she bagged the successive women's singles title at the Macau Open Grand Prix gold. And again, in 2015 also, again she got the success. She again got the gold medal in Macau Open Grand Prix gold, and she bagged successive women's singles title. Successive means what? One after another. That is called successive. Means one after another, म्हणजे एकानंतर एक तिनं या स्पर्धेमध्ये चॅम्पियनशिप मिळवलेली आहे. सो शी बिकेम द फर्स्ट इंडियन वुमन हु गॉट the medal in Macau Open Grand Prix gold in this competition also. Now, The year 2016 brought her another achievement of winning the Malaysia Master Grand Prix Gold Women's Singles title, where she defeated Scotland's Kirsty Gilmore in the final. In 2016 now, आता विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो आपण 2016 ला बघूया. In 2016 brought her another achievement. She got another achievement. She got another success in 2016, and she won the Malaysian Master Grand Prix Gold Women's Single title. तिनं ही चॅम्पियनशिप मिळवलेली आहे मलेशियन मास्टर्स. मलेशिया देशाची जी चॅम्पियनशिप आहे, जी ग्रँड प्रिक्स गोल्ड कॉम्पिटिशन आहे, ते तिनं जिंकली. अँड इन टू दॅट कॉम्पिटिशन शी डिफिटेड स्कॉटलंड या देशाची एक जी खेळाडू आहे. द नेम ऑफ दॅट स्कॉटलंड प्लेयर वॉज कर्स्टी गिलमोर, अँड शी डिफिटेड Kirsty Gilmore in the final, and she got that championship. In August, she reached the semi-final of the women's singles event at the 2016 Summer Olympics after defeating world number 2 Wang Rihan. And she reached in August in the same year, 2016, she reached the semi-final of the women's singles event at the 2016 Summer Olympics. And she participated in Summer Olympics in 2016, and she reached the semi-final after defeating the world number 2, and the name of that world number 2 player was Wang Yihan, and she defeated and she reached into the semi-final. And Sindhu created history. Created history means what? Set a record. तिने इतिहास बनवला, तिने एक फार मोठा रेकॉर्ड केला. Created history, set a record. She created history in 2016 by reaching the finals after beating Japan's Nozomi Okuhara in the women's singles semi-final in the Rio Olympics. And या Rio Olympics मध्ये तिने she reached the final and she defeated Japan's Nozomi Okuhara. तिनं जपानच्या नोझोमी ओकुहारा या प्लेयरला हरवलेला आहे इन द वुमन्स सिंगल्स सेमीफायनल अँड इन द रिओ ऑलिम्पिक्स. ही रिओ या ठिकाणी, रिओ ना, दिस इज द नेम ऑफ वन प्लेस, आणि त्या रिओ या ठिकाणी झालेली जी ऑलिम्पिकची स्पर्धा आहे, त्या स्पर्धेमध्ये तिनं नोझोमी ओकुहारा या खेळाडूला सेमीफायनल मध्ये हरवलं. अँड शी ओन अ सिल्वर मेडल इन द finals, and she reached the final, and now she won the silver medal in finals, while the gold was taken by Spain's Carolina Marin. But in final, the gold medal was owned by Spain's player, and the name of that player was Carolina Marin. But in the next year later, she defeated Carolina Marin and won 2017 India Open Super Series title. In 2017, she defeated the Carolina Marin, the Spain's player, in India Open Super Series title. So in this way, जरी ती रिओ ऑलिम्पिकच्या फायनल मध्ये जरी हरलेली असली, तरी सुद्धा तिनं 2017 साली झालेल्या इंडिया ओपन सुपर सिरीज टायटल मध्ये जिनं तिला हरवलं होतं स्पेनच्या खेळाडूनं कॅरोलिना मरीननं, त्या कॅरोलिना मरीनला तिने 2017च्या स्पर्धेमध्ये शी डिफिटेड अँड शी ओन द मेडल. सो इन दिस वे these are the recent recognitions of PV Sindhu. So in the next part we will continue this lesson. Thank you.